So we're here today working with Dean Relief to try and distribute as much food and emergency aid as possible to the poorest of the poor and the ones who are really struggling the most and the ones who are literally stranded in pockets of island. Some of their houses are just surrounded by vegetation and trees, and that's about it really, and everything else all around them is just pure water, as you can see. So we've just entered another little village that's just literally submerged. I don't know if you can see all of that. Even here behind me, it's all submerged. You can see here, these are like the poorest of the poor. It's really, really, really sad.